We are doing a PBL to educate Salisbury on the weather, and PBL stands for Problem-Based Learning.
My name is Anthony Johnson. I'm a 5th grade teacher at Eisenberg Elementary School, and I use Define STEM. Define STEM is a great resource for all educators. The performance and literacy tasks are second to none, and my students love it.
We're gonna act like we're weather girls, and we're gonna inform people about what you should do and what you shouldn't do during a severe storm. I like this way better because we don't have to just sit there and listen to the teacher telling us about the stuff. We can actually learn about it ourselves.
I have done research on how to prepare for any kind of weather.
We're putting up the pages in the Adobe Voice and on Google Buddy. I was drawing out the conditions for the weather forecast. I like to have the challenging assignments to see if I can complete it and how I can work with my group and so we can make a decision.
We don't want somebody who will just sit there and tell us about it. We want to do it on our own and actually learn by ourselves. I like doing the Define STEM PBLs better because sometimes you just don't want to sit there and listen to the teacher talk all day. Sometimes you want to do things by yourself and be able to collaborate with your group.
More people's ideas make the project better.
So far we have made our days and what the weather is going to be like. And right now we're just trying to rewrite our drills. I like to do projects because we like to collaborate with other people and groups, and you get to put all your main ideas together.
I like doing these performance tasks with Define STEM because we get to work in a group with other people, and when we work in a group with other people, everyone can pitch in and do something different, so at the end the project will be